What's up, guys? Jeff from the Styleology YouTube channel. And if you're anything like me, you find yourself wanting to color the gray in your beard, but you hate the messiness, the permanence, the gloves, all the extra work that comes in when using your typical dye. That's why when I want to color the gray in my beard, I reach for Volt Instant Beard Color. I much prefer Volt Instant Beard Color because it's temporary, there's no mess, no gloves, no dye, no harsh chemicals. And on top of that, it's very easy to use. Let me show you. There's only 4 simple steps after you start with a clean and dry beard. Step number 1, comb your beard in the direction that the hair grows. Step number 2, shake the tube of Volt Instant Beard Color very well. Step 3, hold the tube upright, twist off the cap, and dab any excess liquid on the top of the tube. Step 4, brush on a light coat to the desired area in smooth, consistent strokes. There you have it. No mess, no fuss, and it will last up to 48 hours. And if you want to wash it out, it only takes 30 seconds. So if you're anything like me and you want the best solution to temporary dye in your beard, try Volt Instant Beard Color.